Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about Xiaomi's Mi LED Smart TV4.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi's Mi LED Smart TV4, which is recently launched in India, and Xiaomi claims that it's world's thinnest LED TV. The LED panel thickness is 4.9 mm with ultra thin display. And guys, the LED panel is from Samsung. And Xiaomi says that it's like frameless display, which is the three sides the bezels are so thin, and at the bottom where the Mi logo is there, it's bigger. And also Xiaomi has used latest image technology, which is 4K plus HDR. I think this TV is going to destroy all of the TVs in the market. And it comes with the cinema quality sound with Dolby plus DTS. And it produces the flagship performance with the processor 64-bit quad core with 2 GB RAM plus 8 GB of internal memory. Also guys, this TV has Bluetooth 4.0, which consumes low energy, with Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz, and the ports available in this TV is an antenna port, SPDIF port, and 3 AV ports, AV inputs, and it comes with an inbuilt network adapter and 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, which one of this 3.0 and one of it's 2.0. And guys, this TV runs with the software called PatchWall, which contains 500,000 plus hours of content. And also there are some inbuilt apps like Hotstar, Woot, Sony Live, Hungama Play, SunNext, Z5, ALT Balaji, View, TVF, Flixtree, and guys, with this TV, Sony Live is offering 2018 FIFA World Cup Russia as free. Guys, and also the PatchWall software in this TV is smarter. It knows that which content you love it, and it comes on the top for you recommendations. Like if you are going to watch action movies often, then it searches for the best action movies and it will be recommending you on the top, so that it will be easy to discover the contents what you want. And this TV comes with 11 button remote controller, which is not IR. It connects with the Bluetooth automatically to the TV, so that you can face it on any direction and control the TV without any hassles. And it is also a universal remote. One remote can control your TV plus your set-top box. And also this TV supports screen mirroring. This TV can be controlled with your phone, supported on Android phones on same Wi-Fi network. Guys, the TV can be mounted on tabletop or it can be also wall mounted. The Mi LED TV is 138.8 centimeter, which is 55-inch TV. The Apple of China just showed off a TV that's thinner than an iPhone, and it's gorgeous. Xiaomi Mi TV4 is 4.9 mm thick and has AI content suggestions. As the base of the Mi TV4 is intentionally designed to look transparent, so it would appear as if it were floating where it is placed. Guys, Xiaomi has produced the Mi TV4 sets a new standard for thin televisions in the world. And for more specs, the height of the TV is 730.6 mm and the length of the TV is 1232.1 mm, and the upper part thinnest is 4.9 mm, and where the controls and the lower part are there, and the controls where it is mounted, the lower part thickness is 48 mm. The base width is 216.5 mm and the weight without the bases is 17.2 kgs and weight with the base is 17.8 kgs. The display resolution is 4K HDR. The resolutions are 3840 into 2160. Refresh rate in this TV is 60 Hz and viewing angle is 178 degree on both sides. The response time is 8 millisecond. The speakers used in this is Dolby Audio and DTS HD. The audio power is 2 into 8 watts. The video decoder is MPEG 1/2/4 and Real H.265 H.264. And the audio decoder is Dolby Audio DTS. The processor used a 64-bit quad-core processor. The CPU is Amlogic Cortex A53 quad-core up to 1.8 GHz. And GPU is Mali T830 MP2 up to 750 MHz. It comes with 2 GB of RAM DDR and storage of 8 GB. As the packaging of the TV contains the monitor and the two bases, Bluetooth remote, power cord, user manual and 5 screws to mount this base. Guys, the first sale is already over and Xiaomi claims that within 10 seconds the sale started, all the TVs were sold. Guys, to control the setup box with the TV remote, you need an IR cable which Xiaomi is providing with the TV till May 30 for free. After that, I think it's cost around 250 rupees. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video, thumbs up the button down there and comment your suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.